Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable turbo boost and get better performance. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it and select as. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy and paste it over here and press enter. On right side attributes, double click on it, set this validator to 2 and click on OK and just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it and set this to large icons and select the power options and select change plan settings next to the selected one and select change advanced power settings. Now you just need to expand it, the power management. Now you can able to see option processor performance boost mode. This is the one that we enabled through registry. To disable CPU turbo boost, you just need to set this setting to disabled. Set disabled to on battery and plugged in option and select apply and OK for save changes. If in our case you want to get back to default settings, then select this option restore default settings for this plan and that's how you can disable CPU turbo boost in Windows. And that's it for today guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.